Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Good morning, Raiders. I'm Mari.
And I'm Cassie.
And these are your news and announcements for today, Thursday, November 2nd.
This week at the Islands, are you interested in geography, geopolitics, social studies, or earth sciences? Do you have an innate sense of direction, or are you genuinely curious about international affairs? Does watching Jeopardy spark your competitive fire? If this sounds like you, come join the Geo Bowl team. We will have an informational meeting on Thursday, November 2nd at 12 p.m. in room P2.
Upcoming events. The annual Dia de los Muertos celebration is this Friday from 5 to 8 p.m. Come for the live performances, food, art, and more.
November 9th is the famous CI Glow Dance from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. and no school the following day. Tickets on sale now, $10 pre-sale and $15 at the door. November 10th is Veterans Day, no school.
Attention Raiders! The Saturday Enrichment Academy is this Saturday, November 4th. Sign up with the QR code or walk-ins welcome.
Let's hear from some senior interviews about their hobbies.
I'm Ruben and I'm here with the CI Life crew. We're going to interview some people around CI and know what their hobbies are. See ya.
My name's Sebastian. I'm a senior and my hobbies are biking, dirt biking, sports, soccer, baseball, skating. That's about it.
Alright, we're here with?
Stephanie and Daniela.
Alright, what grade are you guys in?
I'm a senior. And I'm a senior too.
What are your three main hobbies you guys got outside of school?
Well, I crochet, I skateboard, and I guess I like reading.
Okay. And what about you?
Working out, cheer, and reading.
Hello guys, my name is Joel and I'm a senior and my three hobbies are going fishing on the shores, playing soccer, and walking my dog.
My name is Eric. I'm a senior and two of my hobbies are going to the gym and going on late night runs.
My name is Ruben Mentor Jr. and I'm a senior. My three hobbies is go to the gym, I like to play soccer, and print on some t-shirts. Later on, guys.
Thank you, Raiders. What are your hobbies?
Now let's hear from EAOP.
Readers, this is Ms. Gonzalez from EAOP. This is just a reminder that today is our college application workshop. We've now switched to Tuesdays and Thursdays, so the next one after today will be next Tuesday, 2 to 6. Again, just a reminder, CSU and UC applications are due November 30th, so please make sure you're checking in and looking at that countdown at both the Upward Bound CI's Instagram and the EAOP's Instagram. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sporting news, sports on tap. Thursday cross country at CCL meet number 3 at 1 p.m. Come out and support our teams.
Now let's hear from Mr. G about the Saturday Enrichment Academy.
Good morning, Raiders. Hey, I'm talking to you today to promote our Saturday Enrichment Program, and I want to promote it to both students and to teachers. The Saturday Enrichment Program exists for a couple reasons. First, Channel Islands wants to provide a safe, comfortable space where students can come in on a Saturday and work and just get general help with, with whatever they need, whatever sort of tutoring they need. Second, teachers sometimes want to create specific classes or study groups where students can come in and really deeply dive into whatever the subject matter is. The best part is, either way, students, you're going to get extra help. And here's the best part, you can make up an absence. If you attend the 4.5 hours of Saturday school, that will erase an absence that you may have. And then teachers get to meet with students in a much more casual environment and, even get a little extra pay for it. Saturday enrichment will take place approximately once a month. You've got the schedule up here, and it'll run from 8:30 to 12:45 on the Saturdays when it runs. Okay, so students and teachers, please consider this, these dates when making part of your educational plans. Thank you.
Need to take care of an unexcused absence? Make up some missing work? Register now.
Need to make an appointment for the Recon Wellness Center? Use the QR code you see around campus.
Need to get some important info out to the islands? Want your photo shown in the radar mural? Reach out to us at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com.
That is all your news and announcements for today. Make it a great day, Raiders.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to CI Live. If you would like to participate, send an email at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.